Aloha Hawaii.
Aloha.
So good morning, day 4. We are starting our morning off right. We are going to the gym.
Day 2 to the gym.
Because that's how we do. We work out, y'all. We work out. Get on our rides. Get on our rides. Get on our rides. Get on our rides. Y'all see that? Y'all see my view while I'm on this thing? Oh yeah. Alright guys, gym done. Now we are on our way to a grocery store. Not because we don't have food, because we do, but because Jay seen a buffet or breakfast food that he want. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna go there and see what we see.
It's a ride.
And then we're gonna come back and cook. Alright. Our grocery store, Big Save Market, where Jay want to come get this meal. Look at him. What he doing? What he doing? Always scrolling. Scroll. And he get mad at me because I delete people. It's like.
Another story.
No.
French toast, babe.
Oh, that's what you wanted? French toast. Oh, this looks good. The stir-fried rice.
Or the French toast. Or make it fresh.
This is what we got to supplement with our breakfast when we cook at home. Some bacon and this fried rice. It looks good.
It smells good too.
Yeah, and we got eggs and stuff at home, and we got a bagel at home. We're gonna make our own breakfast situation pop. Alright guys, so it was only came to $2.50 for the rice and $2.50 for the meat. So $5 for what we got. That was good. That was awesome. Budget life. Budget life. Oh, budget life.
Budget life.
Alright guys, we are back at the place and getting breakfast together. Gonna do 3 eggs, and that leaves us 4 for tomorrow. And we got 4 sausages for tomorrow. And I think we're gonna donate this oatmeal to the food pantry. And when we used our food, we good.
Tomorrow. Yeah, we gotta see that.
Yeah. Guys, let me show you what $5 got us. Look at this, $5. Look at that. All of that for $5. 6 pieces of bacon and a whole heap of rice. And then we got these. And then let me take you over to the extension, our kitchen extension. We got this bagel. So we are eating good. All right, breakfast is served. Just gonna pour our coffee, and we are good in our room. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that ambiance. All of our stuff, and we bought this case of water for like, what was this, like $5 or something? And we still got all that water available. Guys, we are finally out the house. But it looks like it's about to rain. We going to the beach. Oh, I felt the raindrop on my lip. But we can get drinks and stuff over here. Chill.
Yes.
Figure it out.
You know, we'll be alright. It's just a passing cloud.
We'll be alright.
Big cloud.
We'll be alright.
I want to jump. My first time, I think, jumping into the Pacific Ocean. Wow. Excited.
So, yeah, we can't get this right. So it rains like every day, like around now. And now is, what time is it now? Like 11. So I know. So let's go hurry up. Let's go hurry up and get in the water.
We over there.
Huh?
This little thing right here. After it comes down, I said we should be good.
So here's the thing. It's like, come in here, like we're only here for like what, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're here for 5.5 days. That's it.
Would have been in an excursion right now, but
we need we need more time. You need more time. Like, we haven't even had time to go to the beach at all.
Well, we have time today or tomorrow. We're doing the time right now.
Yeah, we trying to make
the
some
best out of
time. So we only had like maybe about an hour or so to be here, and then we have to go get dressed for our sunset cruise off the Nepali coastline, y'all.
Whatever that means sounds romantic.
I wanted adventure.
Me too, I did. I want to kayak through
the jungle, right? But it is what it is.
It is what it is. It makes us want to come back. We got two more
well, that's why it's like, yeah, that's why it's like you almost have to come back because you realize that we really didn't have a lot of time.
Can you handle those waves?
Dude, yeah. I don't even know if I ever showed y'all this beach for real. Alright, here's the funny part. Okay, listen guys. When me and him first came out here, this is what we seen. This is what we seen.
Like, damn, where are you supposed to swim?
And we're like, exactly. We're like, this is the beach. And we walk down there and it's rocky. Look at these rocks. Right? And we was like, dang, man. It's what it is. Right? And that was that. Then I think the next day or so, we came out here. Yeah, we was like, well, guess you can go out there and bash yourself against the rock if you want. We didn't even walk this way. So we didn't see none of this. Then we came over here and we was like, oh, there's the beach. Walk this way.
Walk this way. Get me from fire.
Did you guys know this? So, they say if you take sand or lava rocks or any kind of rocks from Hawaii, you know, as a souvenir, sometimes people collect a rock and you write your date in the place. From Hawaii though, they say the god Pele will come and get you if you remove anything from Hawaii and bring it somewhere else. You will be cursed with bad luck, right?
I'm going for the challenge. I'm about to do the challenge.
Oh Lord, why did I tell him this?
I feel tried.
And so therefore,
in my world.
Therefore, what ends up happening is people will keep mailing back the sand and the rocks back to Hawaii. It's like they go home with this stuff and I guess bad luck start happening, or what they perceive to be bad luck, and they're like, oh hell no. And yeah, can we sit?
No, this one's nice.
Are we allowed to sit here? And so I don't know. We don't know how this works. Oh, I guess we can ask the people at the place where we go get the towels. And so they'll stop mailing stuff back. So my thing is, if Jay takes something, should we just go ahead and get an address right now so we can mail that ish back when he be like, baby,
we already got an address.
blah, 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 blah. You gonna mail it back to the Sheraton. So yeah, but that is one of the Hawaiian legends. Alright? Let us go find out what we can find out. Alright guys, this is what we doing. This is what we doing before the sun hits.
I don't know, I see the water going all the way to this. While Tinesha over there getting beach ready. Woo-hoo, baby! Check out how cold this water is. My first time in the Pacific Ocean. It's looking like...
I'm so glad I do the editing. Edit all that shit out.
This ain't Miami water.
It's on a stick. All right, I'm ready. Shit. Yeah, make sure you got nothing is in your pockets. Bump that.
Good. Good.
Y'all like my swim uniform?
You think she's from Virginia?
This high!
What the hell, man? Where you going? Where you going?
Knocking my
That's gonna knock you down. Not that bad after you jump in it.
Yeah, but this mess is crazy. Real quick.
Stay right where you are.
Oh yeah. Our babies ain't playing in this water. Our kids ain't going. Hey. Our kids ain't allowed in this water. Okay? It's too much. It's too much going on.
Gotcha, man. Gotcha. Gotcha.
The water's key.
Don't push me.
Save yourself. Save yourself.
Everybody's for herself. Nah, you see that shit? Why they be left me out there? I'm gonna suck this.
It'll suck you in. That's what I'm saying. I just ain't felt that. They go to the beach. They be like, she gonna be like, can I go play in the water? No. She gonna say, why? And I'm gonna say, Silencio. Silencio. Cállate la boca.
Get up, baby, get up.
Did you get hurt? Scratch you?
I'm ruining your photo.
You said what? Is it waterproof? Yeah, it is. Whoa! Yeah, it's the best little adventure camera.
What kind is it?
It's a GoPro. Yeah, so this is a GoPro 5, which isn't even the latest one. But yeah, like we took it like ATV and all through the muds and
Great shot.
yeah, so it's great for that.
Just gotta hold on to it.
Yes.
Maybe you lost your sunglasses.
Ah. Yep. And it comes with a lot of accessories. Like it comes with the floaty thing, so if you do drop it in the water, it'll float. Yeah, it comes with a bunch of stuff. You can strap it to your head, your helmet or whatever. But this one is aggressive. Baby, come get me. Oh. Oh. Right here, y'all. I'm just right here and stuff done got real. Okay, I'm right here. And it's like all yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot, y'all. We gotta hold on to y'all with everything we have. Whoa! Baby, go back on the water and say hi to them.
Pretty warm. Pacific Ocean.
Yeah, now it is, now that we're in it. They're looking for sunglasses. They lost their sunglasses. So that's what they're doing. Oh shit, it's sucking us in, y'all.
Take it, Cam. Take it, mother. Ride it all the way.
Alright. Alright. Whoa. Y'all played enough. We gonna get rid of y'all. Y'all played enough. That was enough. Did y'all like it? Did y'all have fun out there? Hopefully you did.
This is what she does.
This is what the ocean did to him. This is what the ocean did to him. Them waves ain't playing. The Pacific ain't playing. They are not playing with. They ain't come out here to play. If you don't know what you're doing, don't go in.
I'm still here, baby.
He found somebody's sunglasses.
Couldn't find my lens.
But listen, but they all had on the scuba equipment because, I mean the snorkel equipment to find their sunglasses. Like somebody lost like an expensive pair. He put on those little shrinky things on his head right there that I've got to protect my eyelashes. Dove under once and came back up with some sunglasses that they were out there. We don't know how long they were out there looking for them glasses. My baby, he rescued them. Oh, rescue
You missing
mission.
sunglasses in the Pacific?
Because he swam all the way here from the DR. That's my boo. That's my boo. All right, from the PR.
From the PR.
He swam.
Nah, actually from the Atlantic Ocean. New York, baby.
Alright, let's go get our drinks. I'm thirsty. I'm parched. My mouth tastes like salt. And you know I don't like my mouth tasting like salt. Woohoo! Look at our drinks. Look at our drinks. Look at our drinks. Woo! Ooh, you spilling it. Spilling it. Don't you dare. See how every day I feel like I got my 5-year-old with me. Don't you dare lick that table. Yay, baby. What are these? Mai Tais?
No, this is a Mai Tai and that's a Hawaiian shaker.
Okay. Cheers.
Has some good flavors in there. Passion fruit, pineapple, vodka.
Yay!
I say you. I knew you didn't like the Mai Tais that much.
All right, y'all. I gotta get ready to get my baby out the sun. He didn't bring no suntan block.
I'm good.
He didn't bring no sunblock. I gotta get his little light butt out this sun before he hurt himself.
Crazy. Good.
He gotta go. He gotta go. Can y'all see that? We had thought it was gonna rain. Them clouds kicked rocks. Them clouds ran. Not a drop in sight. Now we gotta get ready to go and get ready. We gotta go get dressed.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.